Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up TradingView for Forex. First, create a free TradingView account to unlock powerful charting features. Next, choose a reputable Forex broker that offers direct integration with TradingView. This connection is crucial for real-time data and efficient trade execution. Finally, link your chosen broker account to TradingView, ensuring you have a smooth and responsive trading environment right from the start. This foundational setup is key to your Forex journey. Once your account is set up, personalize your chart's appearance by selecting your favorite colors and preferred timeframes from 1 minute to 1 month. Next, enhance your analysis by adding key technical indicators like the 20-period moving average or the relative strength index. These tools provide valuable insights into market momentum. Finally, master the drawing tools, including trend lines and Fibonacci retracements, to identify potential entry and exit points with precision. Efficiently manage your trading by creating custom watch lists for your favorite currency pairs, such as EURUSD or GBP/JPY. This keeps your focus on relevant markets. Next, set up price alerts to receive instant notifications when a specific price level is reached, ensuring you never miss a potential trading opportunity. Finally, organize your chart layouts to quickly switch between different analysis views, optimizing your workflow for daily trends or intraday setups. Beyond the basics, explore advanced charting types such as Renko or Kagi charts, offering unique perspectives on price action by filtering out time and minor price movements. Additionally, leverage the powerful strategy tester to backtest your trading systems against historical data, refining your approach before risking real capital. This helps you understand the potential profitability and risk of your strategies. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.